I'm going to share some proven strategies to outcompete your competition, secure high quality leads, and build lasting relationships with your clients. We're going to do all of this without expensive marketing campaigns and high pressure sales tactics. I'm Chris Guarnera, founder of Blue Falcon Aerial, and I work alongside 5 Army veterans. Our mission is to clean up the roofing and solar industry by partnering with contractors who put integrity first. We help ethical roofers like you stand out from the rest by connecting you directly with qualified homeowners, showcasing your values through in-depth marketing, and supporting client relationships using cutting-edge drone technology. Our approach is risk-free. There's no setup cost for you, and you only pay after we deliver you results. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps that we do to help ethical roofers like yourself stand out from the competition, whether that be supporting your marketing, helping out with lead generation, to client management that ensures that your homeowners continue coming back. Let's dive in on how you can grow your business while still staying true to your values. The first step to outcompeting your competition is by establishing a strong online presence. We make this whole process easier using our marketing support. Here's how this works and why it's crucial to your success. We start by creating a detailed article about your roofing business. We're showcasing how you operate ethically and with high standards. This isn't just some generic write-up. This is a comprehensive, in-depth look into what you're doing and how you're doing it differently. And since you passed an extensive vetting process, we want to show you as a reliable choice in your market because you can do what many others cannot. When a homeowner reads the strong endorsement from us, it gives an additional level of confidence that you are the right person to solve their problem. This will immediately separate you out from other roofers who rely upon flashy ads or high-pressure sales tactics. Now, this article that we're writing does not just stay on our website. We will be promoting it throughout all of our different social media platforms. This will give your business a broader reach and a seal of approval that you can use in your own marketing. You can share it on your social media, send it out to your potential clients, or even showcase it on your website. This adds a level of third-party credibility that your competitors just simply don't have. This shows that you're just not simply claiming to be the best. You've actually been vetted and endorsed by a trusted resource. It's not enough to simply just have a website and social media page. Homeowners are looking for proof that you are the right choice, and our endorsement provides them exactly with that. This is the difference between just being another roofer and a roofer that actually does have credibility. You're setting yourself up for the clear choice for quality and reliability. Step 2 is all about getting in front of the right homeowners, and that's exactly where our lead generation system comes in. Here's why our leads are different and why you're going to close more deals. We don't just pass on any lead. Our system focuses on homeowners who know they already have damage, understand the value of working with an ethical roofer like yourself, and are ready to speak to you directly. Each one of our houses has already been flown by a drone pilot using state-of-the-art technology. The homeowners have already been presented with the assessment, and they're ready to get to work with you. These aren't cold calls or names on a list. They already know they have damage, and now they just want a professional to come out and get to work. One of the biggest frustrations is having to fight over shared leads with other contractors. With our system, you don't have to worry about any of that. Every single lead that we provide is exclusive to you. That means you're the only roofer talking to this homeowner about this newfound problem. This is a much more efficient way of working because you're not just one of the many roofers they're talking to. You're the only one. The other great thing is we've already done the legwork for you. The homeowner knows your bio, your company. They've already seen all the vetting that we've done for you. We have separated you out from the rest of the competition. They have no incentive and no reason to go with anyone but you. This is the closest thing to a slam dunk you are ever gonna get. And here's the best part. Our lead generation is entirely risk-free to you. There are absolutely zero upfront fees. You only pay us when this turns into a contract and an install. This also means that our interests are entirely aligned with yours. We don't get paid unless you get paid. We're not just sending you names and hoping something happens. We focus on making every single opportunity worth your time. All you have to do is close these deals. The third step is maintaining a long-term relationship with your homeowners, which is crucial for building a sustainable long-term roofing business. Many roofers will finish a job and go straight on to the next client, but this is where the real growth can actually happen. Here's how Blue Falcon Aerial is able to help you maintain those relationships with no additional cost to you. Most homeowners don't think about their roof unless there's an active leak or visible damage, but regular checkups can make all the difference. We use our drones and artificial intelligence software to conduct yearly assessments on behalf of you, the roofer. Our state-of-the-art drones with the high-resolution imagery and advanced artificial intelligence software can generate a report that showcases the condition of that roof at that point in time. This is a value-added service that showcases your commitment to them even long after that roof was replaced. And because these inspections are entirely free to you, you don't have to worry about anything. You can use our services as an extra value add for you. We'll handle everything from using our drones to delivering them the report. We will maintain that relationship so you can focus on securing new work. This is like having a follow-up system on autopilot. You get to continue having that connection without having to lift a finger. Now, when a major storm does hit, homeowners are often overwhelmed and don't know where to go or who to trust. Our system tracks storm activity, and when there's a storm in that area, we will automatically contact that homeowner and do a reassessment. Using our state-of-the-art drones, we're able to do a reassessment, generate a new report, and showcase any newfound damage to that homeowner. All of this is going to be documented with timestamps and geolocations. If we do find qualified damage, we will reintroduce the homeowner back to you with all the previous reports to make this the easiest insurance claim possible. This makes it significantly easier for you to secure the job and allows for the homeowner to have a smooth process from start to finish. They get the confidence of working with a roofer they trust, as well as having all the documentation they're ever going to need for the future. Now, because you're the one who introduced the homeowner to us in the beginning, we're going to be offering you a much less rate when we reintroduce the homeowner back to you with qualifying damage. You are going to be able to go out there and find new relationships while we follow up and ensure your previous relationships are still satisfied and will continue working with you. This approach benefits everyone. The homeowner is going to receive a hassle-free process. The insurance claim is backed by years of timestamped and geolocated data showcasing exactly when and how the change occurred. And you're going to maintain a constant flow of repeat business without having to actually dedicate any time or cost. It's about building trust, maintaining loyalty, and ensure that your clients don't have anywhere else they ever need to look for their roofing needs. So, those are the 3 steps to outcompete your competition as an ethical roofer. Step 1 is establishing an online presence using our marketing support. Step 2 is leveraging our high quality and guaranteed lead generation. And step 3 is building those long-term lasting relationships with our client management system. With this approach, you're not just competing, you're establishing yourself as the go-to roofer in your area who's known for reliability and being ethical as well as providing tremendous quality. By partnering with us, you'll be able to build a business that is able to stand out and continue growing year after year. If you want to apply for our program and think that you can pass some extensive background checks, make sure to check out bluefalconaerial.com/roofer network. Looking forward to working with you.